Hi! In front of me is iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Voice Memos and click on it. Now tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to rename it, click on your recording and type in wherever you wish to. If you wish to end it and save it, you can stop it first and tap on done, or just click on done right away. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. But if you wish to delete it, you can always do that by tapping on this little bin icon over here. And now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!